Hello everybody, Lucas Purden here from Paul Sherry Conversion Vans in beautiful Piqua, Ohio. Today I'm highlighting a new arrival to the dealership, stock number 31154T. It's a new 2024 Chrysler Pacifica rear entry mobility van built by ATS Vans. It is midnight blue in color, has a nice blacked out grille with the chrome accents. Your front sensors for adaptive cruise, if you can see with that down here, you got all your sensors for your adaptive cruise control. I'll talk about that more here in a moment. You got your 18-inch alloy wheels, privacy glass all around. This vehicle does have full power doors, so you can push a button, open it up. You see you got your two jump seats in there. Push of a button, close it back again. Around back here you can see the rear mobility package on it. Again, push of a button, you can open it up. Also, it has the backup sensors in the bumper as well. Super easy design here. Pull the pistol grip here, and again over here, lay it down, and as you can see, we've got a 35-inch ramp here. You can see that there. So you wheel up in, you've got tie downs for up to 2 chairs in here, so you can get them, your Q strengths locked down here and up here. Again, you got your couple jump seats here. Q strengths are in the box. You also have some cup holders that'll slide out here as well. Up front you got a little more storage cup holders, USB-Cs and USB power ports, auxiliary. The Uconnect 5 touchscreen radio has Sirius XM satellite radio and navigation as well. On your steering wheel, here's your controls for that adaptive cruise control, so you can set your speed and how far you want to keep the distance between you and the vehicle in front of you, and your vehicle will do just that on its own. So if the vehicle in front of you speeds up, you'll speed up. If they slow down, you'll slow down. Your Bluetooth controls over here for your hands-free phone calls, power mirrors, windows, and locks. Really nice van. You can get it in anywhere. You can make it in the parking garages, your own garage, car washes, drive-throughs, all that. Some places that other mobility vans can't get to, and the Pacifica rear entry, you can get to all them places. Again, we're looking at stock number 31154T. I'm Lucas Purden. Come visit me at Paul Sherry Vans in beautiful Piqua, Ohio. Or you can give Lucas a call at 937-778-0830, extension 1129. Or you can always visit us online at paulsherryconversionvans.com. Thanks for watching.